Hello everyone, I am Anmol Jain and I am pursuing MBA in Business Analytics from Jagran Lake City University, Bhopal. In this video, I will tell how to create vector, frames and how to do subsetting. First of all, I will start with vector. Here, I create a vector x by assigning equals to in this vector. I put only single value, that is 6. And to run that code, you have to press Ctrl plus Enter. And to know the value of that vector, you have to write that vector name and simply press Ctrl plus Enter. Like that. You can see it in the console part. Now I will tell you how to do arithmetic operation in this. If you want to add value 6 in the x variable, you can simply write x plus 6, which will give you the answer, that is 12. You can simply divide that, multiply it and subtract it. If you want more values in a single vector, then you have to use sign C, which is combine. Now I will tell you with the example. In that, I create a vector A with a sign of equal, and in that vector I put some multiple values like that. Now if you want to see the value of A, you can simply write A and then press Ctrl plus Enter. Now you are able to see the value of A. You can do arithmetic operation like addition and division. Now, if you want to see the how many values are in A, you can simply use function length like that. So it will give the answer 5. You can see it in the console part. Now, I will tell you how to do subsetting. Here, I create a vector marks. In that, I put a marks of various subjects. Now, if I want to see the marks of the third subject, how can I? Now, here I will tell you. You can simply write marks and you can in that you have to use square bracket and whatever the marks you want to see, you just simply put the value. Like in that case, I have to see the marks of the third subject, so I put 3. Now I run that code and now you can see that I got the marks of the third subject, which is 56. Similarly, if you want to add marks on the sixth subject, how can you? You can simply write marks and the subject in which you have to add the marks. Then you can use arithmetic operation and then the value which you have to add. So like that. You can multiply one subject marks with the other by using marks square bracket 3 into marks square bracket of 5. Fifth subject like that. Now, what is data frame? Data frame is a two-dimensional array. Now, I will create a data frame of name and age. Now, here I create a vector name in which I put the name of some people. And similarly, here I create a vector of age and put the age of that people. Now, here I create a third variable, that is class, with the function called name as data.frame. Inside that, I put the name and age. So, if you want to the values of class, you can just write class and press Ctrl plus Enter. Now, you are able to see what it do that. It simply create a table. You can use a better way to view this table by using function view. Like that, you can see in the script part, the table is created. Now, only if you want to see the age of that table, you can also see that. by using comma, like class square bracket comma 2, which means that I have to see a column second. Now you can see the console part, only the age values you can see. If you want simply a value of 1 2, then you can also see that. Here I create a name of a vector, that is vec, and simply use combine sign, and in the small bracket I use 1 semicolon 20. Now see what it gives you. Now I simply use vec and put and press Ctrl plus enter. It will give a value 1 to 20. Similarly, if I want to see a value from 15 to 1, how can I? You can also see that by similarly like that. Now if I want a repetition of some numbers, how can use? Now I can see that by using function rep, which is repetition. Like here I use a name of a vector vac and then assign it with a function called repetition, and it that says 0 colon 2 comma 12, which means I have to, which means it will give a value till 12 with the same 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2 like that. So I hope you understand that, and thank you so much.